Help yourself.
Okay, and hello, good morning. It's that perfume here. Welcome to my channel.
You're not going to walk off.
Here there is the variety. I'm in Brighton at the moment, and there is the variety of seafoods here, which I am going to purchase for my. I want to eat something. Excuse me, miss. Do you have a selection of that? Oh, I could just have that. Okay.
You can have that.
Is this one?
It's literally I put it in the morning. I put everything out from the main dish right here.
Okay,
so
so
you got mixed.
Can I choose myself?
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay. Right. All right. So can I have a little pot, please? No, a bit bigger, please. A bit bigger.
You want me to?
No, can I have this one?
Yeah.
A little bit of that and a little bit of
Okay.
yes, and one piece of octopus. Look, octopusy.
Are you sure?
Yes, so please.
One.
And one. Hey, look at this shrimps.
Crayfish.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Crayfish.
Yes, little bit. Is that all?
Do you want more?
No. I want mussels
Okay.
because that's rich in iodine. It's good.
So is
And a
that
sauce. Yes, please.
happy? Done?
Oh, can I have a cream on it?
It's-
Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh. Look, my order. I can eat seafoods here. Oh, I don't know how to do that. Do you know how to do it? Oh, it doesn't work.
Hold on underneath it.
Oh. A bit more. I want it saucy, la 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 la. Thank you so much. I'm very. Thank you so much. You had to put up with me. Thank you. Alright. Thank you for
My
allowing me
pleasure.
to
I'll
video.
give you a
Thank
couple
you
of
so
samples,
much.
yeah?
Okay. It's so lovely here.